Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Bhaja Hure Mana Sinanda Nandana Abhaya Charanara Bindare. Bhaja means worship. Who? Hello. Mana, mind. The poet Govinda Das, a great philosopher and a devotee of the Lord, he is praying, he is requesting his mind, because mind is the friend and mind is the enemy of everyone. If one can train his mind in Krishna consciousness, then he is successful. If he cannot to train his mind, then in life is failure. Therefore, Govinda Das, a great devotee of Lord Krishna, his very name suggests Govinda Das. Govinda, Krishna, and Das means servant. This is the attitude of all devotees. They always affix this Dasa, means servant. So Govinda Das is praying, my dear mind, please, you try to worship the son of Nanda, who is Abhaya Charana, whose lotus feet is secure. There is no fear. Abhaya means there is no fear. And Charan means lotus feet. So he is advising his mind, my dear mind, please you engage yourself in worshipping the fearless lotus feet of the son of Nanda. Bhaja Hure Mana Sri Nanda Nandana. Nanda Nandana means a son of Nanda Maharaj, Krishna. And his lotus feet is Abhay, fearless. So Govinda Das is requesting his mind, please be engaged in the transcendental loving service of the lotus feet of Krishna. So for other things are concerned, and he says also that Dullabha Manava Jana. Dullabha means very rare to obtain. Manava Janma means this human form of life. It comes after a very long rotation. Once chance is given to become Krishna conscious so that one may get out of the cycle of birth and death. Therefore, he advises that this life, this human form of life, is very important. Durlabha. Durlabha means, means with great difficulty. And lava means obtaining. So, foolish people, they do not know how much important this human form of life. They are simply wasting in sense gratification like animals. So this is very instructing that he is training his mind, that you engage your mind in the worship of Lord Krishna. Dullabha manava janama satsang. And this training of the mind is possible only in good association, satsanga. Satsanga means persons who are simply 100% engaged in the service of the Lord. They are called Sat. Satang Prasanga, without association of devotees, it is impossible to train the mind. It is not possible by the so-called yoga system or meditation. One has to associate with devotees. Otherwise it is not possible. Therefore we have formed this Krishna Consciousness Society, so that one may take advantage of this association. So Govinda Das, poet and devotee, is advising, Dullabha Manava Janama Satsanga. You have got this very nice, rare human body. Now associate with devotees and engage your mind on the fearless lotus feet of Krishna. He is requesting his mind. Then he is pointing out the frustration of life. What is that? Sitayatapa Bhatavarishana Edina Jamini Jagi. Shita means winter. Atapa means summer, when there is scorching sunshine. Atapa. Sita Atapa. Bhata, cold. Varishana, torrents of rain. So these disturbances are always there. Sometimes it is severe cold, sometimes it is scorching heat, sometimes there is torrents of rain, sometimes this or that is going on. So he said, the Sitayatapa Vata Varishana Edina Jamini Jagire, whole day and night. People are working very hard without caring severe cold, severe heat and torrents of rain, and keeping night, going to the desert, going to underneath the sea. Everywhere they are so busy. The Sitaya Tapa Bhata Varishana Edina Jamini Jagi. There is night duty and so many other engagements. So he says, Sitaya Tapa Bhata Varishana Edina Jamini Jagire Bifale Se Minu Kripana Durajana Chapala Sukhalava Lagire. Now, with all this hard labor, what I have done, I have served some persons who are not at all favorable to my Krishna consciousness. And why I have served them? Chapala Sukhala Mulagi. Chapala, very flickering happiness. I think if a small child smiles, I will be happy. I think if my wife is pleased, I think I am happy. But all these temporary smiling or feeling of happiness, they are all flickering. That one has to realize. There are many other poets also similarly have sung that this mind is just like a desert, and it is hankering after oceans of water. In a desert, if an ocean is transferred, then it can be inundated. And what benefit can be achieved there if drop of water is there? Similarly, our mind, our consciousness is hankering after ocean of happiness. And these temporary happiness in family life, in society life, they are just like drop of water. So those who are philosophers, those who have actually studied the world situation, they can understand that these flickering happiness cannot make me happy. Then he says, Kamala Jaladala Jivana Tolamala. Kamala Jaladala means the lily flower. You have all seen lily flower on the lakes. They are tottering, always in the water. tottering. Anyway, any time it can be overflooded. Similarly, this life is full of danger, always. Always in danger. Any moment it can be finished. There are so many instances. People look at, but they forget. That is the wonderful thing. They are seeing every day, every moment, that he is himself in danger, others are in danger. Still he is thinking that I am secure. This is the position.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.